guys, welcome back to our channel for the third time today. Obviously they might not be all uploaded in the same day, but I'm wearing the same scarf and the same sweater, so don't judge me, it's the same day. So we are at, if you guys can see, no you can't see, we are at Rite Aid. I'm gonna be doing another Rite Aid deal, but please, warning, this is an extreme couponing deal. It's actually not that very hard, but we are using multiple coupons. We are using 7 of the same like coupons, and it's a pretty intense deal. Rite Aid normally has these kind of deals, but they're honestly really easy once you know what you're doing. So I'm gonna try to, explain it the best way that I can. I did see someone post the breakdown, so this is the breakdown that I'm gonna be following. It's by Saccotown Couponer. She's a really big, she shares a lot of Rite Aid breakdowns, so I'm gonna be following this deal if they have everything in store, because this store has a lot of couponers and they might not, or I'm gonna try to make up my own deal while I'm in there. So let's go inside. Hopefully we can find some stuff. If it all goes well, it's a really awesome deal. So let's go. And like I said, guys, my store has a lot of couponers. They're all gone of Tide. Like, I had to be here right when they open if I wanted to score. I'm gonna change my deal down a little bit, because you can get Tide liquid or you can get Tide pods. So I need to get 7 of these. Hopefully there's enough. So I'm gonna grab 7 of these. I'm also gonna be grabbing 2 of these Cottonelle 6 mega packs, so 2 of these. Okay guys, I managed to find some Tide and Tide pods, but they're really out of everything. So here's gonna be the deal. We have the Tide products on sale promotion, same as last week. They are spend $30, get $10 in bonus cash. And then we have the Cottonelle. These are on sale for $8.99, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back in bonus cash. Now these are both a limit of 2, so you guys can do this deal today. Once you earn the bonus cash, you can come back the next day and then do it again, and then you'll reach the limit, and then you can't do it anymore for that account, or else you won't earn the bonus cash. Now if you guys take a look at the Rite Aid ad right here, they have this coupon right here. It's earned $15 in bonus cash when you buy $50. So you can use this coupon on top of all the bonus cash that they're gonna give back. So we're gonna get 10 back for the Tide products and 5 back for the Cottonelle, plus the 15 for spending 50. So we're gonna get a total of $30 in bonus cash for all these items. So your out of pocket might be high, because you're gonna be paying that $30 plus whatever the final price for this is, but you will get $30 in bonus cash in your account, and then you'll be able to use those for your next transaction, and it'll make it a lower out of pocket. So let's do the full breakdown. So we have the Tide products on sale for $4.94 this week. They are $4.94, and we are getting a total of 7. So I got 4 pods and then 3 of the liquid. So that brings us to $34.58. And then we have the Cottonelle for $8.99, and we're getting 2 of those. So that brings us to $52.56. So we'll be getting that 15 in bonus cash once we scan that coupon. Now I recommend scanning that coupon first. Now for coupons, we're going to be using 2 of this $1 off Cottonelle, and then for the Tide, we are going to be using 3 of the $2 off one for the liquid, and then 4 of the Tide pods. So let's do the full breakdown. We're going to subtract $2 for the Cottonelle coupons. We're going to subtract $8 for the Tide coupons, and then we're going to subtract $6 for the Tide liquid coupons. That's going to bring us down to $36.56. Remember, we're going to get $30 in bonus cash. If you guys already have it, then you can roll it and that'll be better. And your final price for all of this is only going to be $6.56. So that is a total of 9 items. So we are going to divide that by 9, making it only 72 cents each. So I'm gonna go ahead and check out. Hopefully everything goes well, and I'll show you guys my receipt at the end. Okay, so everything went as planned, guys, and I'm so excited. I did 2 transactions. They were identical. They came out exactly the same, the subtotal and the tax. So here are all my items that I got and the coupons. So this is a little different than CVS. It'll have the item, and then it'll have the coupon that was used. So the Cottonelle was on sale for $8.99, and then I used the coupon. It took off $1, so it came out to $7.99. And then I have all the Tide products, and then this was my subtotal, $34.56. I did earn the bonus cash. I earned $30 in bonus cash. I already had 10 in there, so I used 10 to pay, and it made my out of pocket only $29.36. That is what I paid. So then tomorrow when I come back, I am going to do possibly the same deal, or well, I have to find a different store that has the items. I will possibly be doing the same deal. and when I pay, my total is gonna be the exact same. It's gonna be $34.56, but I'm gonna use that $30 in bonus cash that I have. So it's gonna apply here where it says reward sale. It'll take off the $30, and then my total to pay, you know, with my own cash out of pocket will only be $4.56 plus the tax. So it'll be $8 for those 9 items, and I personally think that is a great deal. Okay guys, I'm over here trying to find a spot where the sun won't hit me, but I think it's a great deal. I feel like it is a little more on the extreme side because you're using, you know, multiple coupons for, you know, the Tide. The Cardinal, it's pretty simple. All you guys have to remember is keep your phone out so you can show them the screenshot first. You're gonna put in your phone number and then give them the screenshot after they scan everything. That way you get $15 in bonus cash when you spend $50. If they scan your coupons first, there might be a chance that that screenshot coupon won't work. So just make sure they scan that one first. Other than that, it's super easy. You're just using that one. You're using your paper coupons, and then you get the bonus cash at the end, and then, you know, your next day transaction will be even better. So let me know what you guys think of this deal. Also, I definitely recommend checking out Sacco Couponer. I'm sorry like if I'm saying her name wrong, but she has a ton of Rite Aid breakdowns for this week using that same coupon. There's like a ton of other stuff that you guys can mix and match and just do other breakdowns. I just decided to share this one with you guys because I felt like it was the most easiest. Like, it's just straight to the point. You're just getting Tide, you know, getting some toilet paper, or, you know, paper towels. Or they also have the Scott, and the Scott also has a $1 off coupon if you guys got that one. I got the 50-cent one, so which is why I got the Cardinal. So, you know, just do whatever works for you guys. And if you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments. Go ahead and message me on Instagram in regards to, you know, Rite Aid, because I know that one can be a little tricky. But all right guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. Hope you guys are able to head to Rite Aid and, you know, score some deals and, you know, stock up on some laundry products. All right, we will see you guys in our next video. Bye.